So you've got an online shop, you're in the world of e-commerce, but you want to know how can you make your product descriptions better? What can you do to encourage people to buy from you? How can you make that journey easier for them? So in this video, I'm looking at how you can use product descriptions to encourage people to buy from your online shop. We're going to have a look at the different areas that you can add text that will help people make a decision and hopefully encourage them to make a purchase. So save this video if you want to watch it later, or add it to your downloads because you might want to refer back to it. And drop me a little comment below and let me know what your shop's all about. Drop me a link, I can have a look at it. I love nosying around. And just let me know how you're getting on, really. So I'm Jill, and my business is Cherryade Marketing, and I'm all about helping businesses get those sales from their online shops, from retail high street shops, and also manufacturers who might be supplying either retail or wholesale. I'm really about getting those product sales for you. So I'm going to talk today about text. I've done a separate video about how you can improve your images and video to encourage sales. So I'll drop a link to that in the description so that you can refer to that if you want. But this is all about bringing that all together. So as an example, I thought we'd have a look at sunglasses today. So I found these ones on the Radley website. So the first thing we're going to look at is the product name. So this one they've called them Morwenna, which is obviously not the name of some sunglasses, but here they've put oversized metal trim sunglasses. So what you want to be doing is making it really clear what it is you are selling. I would avoid using names that haven't been heard of or quirky things. For example, I would be putting the actual product name. I've also found this one, which is a different set. Again, they've given it a name, but Aurora Active Sunglasses. So make sure you are being really clear about what your product is. What is it you are selling? Be really clear about that. And you'll notice underneath the product name or description, they've got the link to the reviews. Make sure you've got little, how many 5 stars has your product got? Again, they do the same on the Radley website. You see here where it says Trustpilot. Okay, they've only got 1 review, but it's still 5 stars. So that's the second thing I would do. The third thing, obviously, is be really clear on the price. Make sure you put that in quite high up. And then the fourth thing is the item specifics. So a description, details about what, bullet points are brilliant because people can just skim through them. You might want to put about brand, your product size, dimensions. Make it really easy, bite size, that's the word I'm looking for. Bite-sized chunks for people to just break it down so they get that information really easily. The fifth thing you might want to put in there, or you will want to put in there, is all about delivery and returns. Delivery and returns information, it's really important to people. They're going to be spending £4.50 to get delivery, but what's your returns policy as well? What if they don't fit? What cost am I going to incur to send it back? The sixth thing you could do is you could go into more detail about the product. I don't know whether this one does. No, it doesn't, but hang on. Let me share this one. They've got lots of information here, details. So again, bullet points. But then they've got a more detailed description. They've also got a fit guide, which is really useful with the dimensions on. what their lenses are like. So they're really giving as much information as they can. They've also got shipping and delivery, so you can find out more information about that. And then if there's any other important information they need to know, maybe it's, they're available in other colours or different styles, things like that you might want to put in there. And then at the bottom of the page, I think this one obviously has lots of information, but you've got customer reviews. Customer reviews are brilliant for helping people understand whether that's a product that they want to buy. And again, I think they have it on other products I was looking at. Oh, on the Radley ones, let's have a look. Yeah, so they've got a little review section as well where people can go and look at it. So in summary, first thing I would do is to add a really clear product name, have a review snapshot, put your price on there, item specifics, make them bullet pointed so they're easy to digest, have delivery and returns information really clearly displayed, have more information about the product, what else can you tell people about it, and then customer reviews that people can read. I hope this has been helpful. Give me a shout if you've got any comments, and let me know how you get on as you update your product descriptions.